Here's a case where the earnings looked great, but the stock market shrugged. Samyang Foods and Nongshim, Korea's two biggest ramen makers, both posted operating profit growth of around 40% in the second quarter, driven by strong overseas sales. And yet, both stocks are sitting right around where they started the year. Let's look at the actual numbers. Samyang Foods posted consolidated revenue of 770.3 billion won, up 39% year-over-year. Operating profit came in at 59.3 billion won, up 48%. Its U.S. subsidiary alone brought in 287.3 billion won, up 11%. Nongshim's numbers moved too. Revenue of 956.1 billion won, up 10%, and operating profit of 176.2 billion won, up 47%. Its overseas subsidiary revenue rose 31% to 328.6 billion won. So if profits are up this much, why aren't the stocks moving? Domestic ramen shipment volume in the first half of the year rose 26% year-over-year to 920 million units. But in July alone, that growth rate slowed to just 8%. Market analysts point to that slowdown in export growth as the reason behind the stalled stock prices. And that's their interpretation, not a confirmed fact. 4 angles here. From a market perspective, this is a textbook gap between fundamentals and price. Earnings are objectively strong. The stock price isn't rewarding it, at least not yet. From a policy perspective, there's nothing to report. No government policy or regulation shows up in this story at all. From a corporate perspective, both companies are riding overseas demand, especially in the US, to post their strongest profit growth in a while. The real question for these companies now is whether that export growth rate keeps decelerating. From an everyday impact perspective, this report doesn't mention any change in ramen prices for consumers. So if you're wondering whether your grocery bill is affected, that connection isn't established here. Here's the line to take away. Strong earnings don't automatically move a stock price. Right now, the market is watching the growth rate, not just the profit number. That's based on reporting by Jong Yoo-min for the Seoul Economic Daily.